All right, guys, I'm gonna show you I came out at nighttime so I can show you the LED headlights and the LED fog lights. This is from the inside of the car first. Those are the headlights from the inside of the car. And now let me turn the fog lights on. Super bright. Now just the headlights. Let's get outside of the car and just look at the headlights first. All right, let's get outside of the car. All right. Man, them LED lights look way better than the regular halogen. All right, those the LEDs. Now let me go turn the fog lights on with it. They definitely look good though. They definitely look good, in my opinion. Yeah, that sucker look mean. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Those the LEDs, not the HIDs. They look just as good as the HIDs. Those the LEDs, fog lights, and headlights. All right, guys, that's it. That's just a little short video I wanted to show y'all what I finished up. All right, guys, catch you on the next video. I'm out.